Meaning of Faustian.
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 Faustian. Faustian refers to a situation where someone is willing to make a deal with the devil in exchange for personal gain. This term derives from the German legend of Faust, who sold his soul to the devil for knowledge and power. The result of a Faustian bargain is often short-term success or gratification, but ultimately leads to long-term consequences or negative repercussions. People who make Faustian bargains often sacrifice their morals, ethics, or long-term goals for immediate satisfaction. Ultimately, a Faustian bargain is seen as a cautionary tale about the dangers of prioritizing material gain over moral values.